You ever look around after a hurricane and wonder how we still standing? Your fridge float across the kitchen, your zinc up in your neighbor's yard, and somehow you manage to cook soup the same night. You patch roof with anything you find, light candle like it's normal, and laugh through blackout like it's a comedy show. That's not weakness, that's legacy. You don't just survive the storm, you carry everybody else through it too. Because we were built different, Caribbean strong, raised by resilience, fed by mango season and prayers. The wind might blow down your house, but it can't blow down your spirit. You survive more than most people will ever understand. Drop your flag in the comments and type survivor if you know what real strength looks like.